Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a super simple and quick way how to delete all your Facebook posts with just one click. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook app. To start, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Go to your profile page. Next, tap on your profile picture to access your profile page. Step 3. Find the activity log. Now look for the 3 horizontal lines button located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu, and from there, locate and tap on Activity Log. Step 4. Click Manage Your Posts. Once you are in the Activity Log section, scroll down until you find Manage Your Posts. Tap on it, and it will display all your Facebook posts sorted in chronological order. Step 5. Remove individual posts. If you want to remove specific posts, simply locate the post you wish to delete. Tap on the 3 dots next to it and select Move to Trash. Step 6. Bulk delete posts. To delete multiple posts at once, tap on the checkmark icon next to each post you want to delete. Once you've selected all the posts you wish to delete, tap on the Trash button and they will be moved to the trash folder. Step 7. Delete all posts at once. If you want to delete all your posts in one go, simply tap on the Select All button. This will automatically select all your posts. After that, tap on the Trash button and all the selected posts will be moved to the trash folder. Congratulations, delete the all post, and there you have it. Deleting all your Facebook posts is now a breeze that cannot be recovered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.